Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's try to find and delete unwanted files or useless things from our internal or external storage. We mainly concentrate on internal storage because that's everyone's nightmare. So let's begin. I'm using an app called ES File Explorer, which is banned from India after the Chinese app clearance from the Play Store. So I had the download link for everyone without any redirections and ads, which will directly take you to your download segment. And the download will start directly from the Google Drive, so just wait for the download to be finished. Download tutorial is added at the end of the video, so please also watch the end to make the download section clear. And as always, subscribe to my channel will be magnificent. Now let's continue. Open the ES File Explorer, then you can find the Analyze button from the interface. Click on it, and it's now started fetching files from the entire storage system. Now you can see several storage management systems, junk files, large files, etc. Let's see what's inside the large file segment. There are some PC and smartphone games with some useful software here. I'm not bothered about it because it's inside my SD card, so leave it. Go back. This is our thing, all files segment. Click here and you can see 0 and a unique coded segment. These both are storage devices. One is internal, other external. 0 is the internal storage, so we go through it. As you see here, the blue shade from left to right of the screen indicates the storage level occupied by each folder. The folder which has more shade have more usage. It's always sort the folder from high to low, so we can find the large files easily. Select the particular folder which has more usage in your device. All devices may vary in this case. You can find the apps that uses more storage as cache, etc. Clear them. After some days, the cache will be replaced by the respective apps for its purpose. So just keep an eye on the cache. Some files may be forgotten by us to delete, so we can deeply find it here. And you can also delete the shared folder from the WhatsApp because it's a cache generated from WhatsApp. It will probably waste your space. So while sharing a content on WhatsApp, try to delete it after the purpose. It will save the space. Don't forget to deselect the Move to Recycle Bin function. The thing that we aim to see the cache files and other files like shared folder from the WhatsApp is because it's hidden by a simple format dot. When you add a dot or full stop in front of a file or folder name, it gets hidden. So whilst you are checking in your normal file browser, you can't find it. Some new built-in file browsers are enabled this function. You just want to ensure that it's turned on from the respective file browser settings. Don't worry for the installation of Chinese app. Try to avoid the internet connection while launching the app if you're scared about your privacy. It's not mandatory because I'm still using Xender, the Chinese file transfer app, so it's based on your preference. And you can also uninstall the File Explorer after your purpose. Don't forget to subscribe if the video is helpful. Okay, I'll see you next time. Later. Click the download link from the description or copy paste